So students, এতিয়া আমি পঢ়িবলৈ গৈ আছো ক্লাছ 3 ইংলিছ টেক্সট বুক Blossom-1 lesson 4 Ritu's phone. Let's look at the picture. This is a store of electronic items. Digital electronics store. Which of the following items do you see in the picture? Put a tick in the circle. Computer desktop, laptop, umbrella, mobile phone, juice, headphone, books, refrigerator. Which of the following activities do you like to do? Discuss with your friend. Watch television. Play outdoor games with my friends. Listen to stories on a mobile phone. Listen to stories from my grandparents. Let's read. Ritu had a small phone. He loved playing games and watching videos on his phone. Ritu spent his leisure time playing games and watching videos on his phone. Sometimes he even missed his meals. He was always busy on his phone. He stopped going out and playing with his friends. One day he came to his mother, rubbing his eyes, and said, "Mother, I am not feeling well. I feel sleepy all the time." Ritu's mother took him to a doctor. She told the doctor about Ritu's overuse of the mobile phone. The doctor prescribed some medicines. The doctor said a few things to Ritu. "Dear Ritu, phone time is like eating a chocolate. A little is fine, but too much is bad." Ritu realized his mistake. So students, if you like this reading practice video, kindly consider subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you.